Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how to create different folders in your Gmail and then filter incoming messages to go right into that folder automatically to sort messages. So if you're in your Gmail, you look and you can see that in mine I've got various labels for different classes that I teach, AP Physics and Astronomy and such. To create that, you go down at the bottom and click Create Label. You might have to select the Show More Options button first. Once you create it, you'll have something like this here, AP Physics. Now if I want messages to get sorted directly into that folder, I'll click on Manage Labels and Filters. And what you can see here is I've already got filters created for the different classes, some of them. I'll show you how I made those in a second. And what it says is that if a incoming message has that in the subject, it will filter it into that folder. So to do that, you create a new filter. You can filter it by from, by to. I like to do by what's in the subject line. I give it a unique string of characters that won't accidentally get typed in. So Kortenkamp AP Physics 4 or Kortenkamp Physics 4. And then I'll create a filter with this search. I'll apply the label Physics Hour 4 and then create the filter. So that one is now set up. I'll create a new filter for a different hour. Kortenkamp AP Physics 5. Apply the label. Now I don't have a AP Physics 5th hour set up yet, so I can go in and actually make a label at the exact same time as I make the filter. So I'll make a new folder under the AP Physics main heading called Hour 5, and I'll create a filter that goes into that folder. So now I'll do one more for Astronomy. I need to set up one for Hour 7. So I'll create a new filter. I've already got Astronomy and Hour 7 created. So if I just type in my unique string of characters, this is what students would have to put in the subject line so that that message gets put into that folder. And it has to be exactly the same. So I'll filter it into there. So now all my filters are set up for my different classes. If I click on those, you can see what it looks like. I've already done this and had students respond to it. And that way, when, say, a lab comes back, you can get them all stacked in the same folder without having to sort anything else amongst the other emails that you might get. So it works out pretty handy.